Click on the Go Live now. All right. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, June 11th.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. Nice to see you all again. Yeah, as Richard said, Friday, June 11th. Yeah. So let's hope everyone is doing well.
Yeah, we have a good news. Yeah, after the few weeks during the correction, the Bitcoin now have the bouncing back with the up to 6% amid the fastest rise in the consumer price since the financial crisis. Yeah, we see that there's a financial crisis because we see in the ledger of the Fed. We saw that now Fed had printed out around 8 trillion.
Yeah, 8 trillion.
Yeah, and then what do you feel about when the Bitcoin price from 33,000 to 36,000?
Well, I guess this 6% up. It sounds very positive, but it's actually not much. So of course, it's still something good. In comparison to the last time we had Bitcoin at 30,000+, I think for that matter, I think somewhere in February or something that the price was like 30+.
Yeah,
and then now we are at the same stage again, 30+. And then of course, everyone is hoping that it will move up to 40+ very soon. Before that, the last round, there was a lot of bumming. There was a lot of bumming by the big fish, big whales. Yeah, so right now it's kind of like very quiet. You don't really hear much noise among the grass. Yeah, so Bitcoin being up at 6% during this time, I think it's a good thing. Yeah. So of course, just now Richard mentioned something about the amount of paper that is being printed in the West. Yeah. So I believe in the last 1-2 months, such kind of move from the Feds actually do play a part in influencing how the price moves. They are not influencing the Bitcoin price directly, but they are basically influencing the investors' confidence. And that is why you see a number of ups and downs in the last 1 month. Yeah, so in general, Bitcoin being up by 6%, I think that's a good thing. I'm looking forward for it to go up even higher.
Yeah, that's right.
40+,
Yeah, because some of the investor, they also hope the price may go up to 70K or 60K, 60 to 70K back. And during the Miami conference, a lot of Bitcoiner, a lot of investor, and we also received the nice news from Cell Avatar. It's become the first country in the world.
El Salvador.
El Salvador accept Bitcoin as the legal entity, and now we hear it's in the headline of the Grid, one of the famous websites say that Elon Musk will have no role in the Bitcoin mining culture yet. Of course, because now the Bitcoin miner they focus on the energy usage transparency. Yeah, because some of the part of the world claim that the Bitcoin mining activity is still not in a good way for environment. Yeah, and then now is the answer from the Bitcoin miner culture, and they say that they use the reusable energy. Yeah, it's good for environment. And in this article, it has just coming out today. And then we also focus on some of the news that make the price of Bitcoin bouncing back. Yeah, of course, it's the Bitcoin's movement when El Salvador also, the news also press on the Strait Time. If you can see on Strait Time, they also can say to us like that. Strait Time of Singapore. Yeah. And then
this IMF, just now you shared this thing, this IMF. I'm just wondering who this IMF who actually controls this IMF. I don't know. Some of you out there may know, but the thing is, of course, they will take issue with El Salvador's move. Yeah, because IMF, World Bank, and I think one other, I just cannot remember the name. Anyway, these three big guys up there, to them, paper money is the best thing that can help them to move money around. And basically, whenever they move money, they just sign on the dotted line, and then that's it. The money is being moved, so to speak. Yeah. Whereas when it comes to cryptocurrency, digital currency, it's very difficult for them to just not because it's difficult for them to track, but it's difficult for them to control. I think Richard will agree with that. Anything that is difficult for a governing, they are not even governing body. They for an organization like this, anything that is difficult for them to control is not a good thing to them. Yeah, very, very simple. That is why governments come out with CBDC.
Yeah, that's right. And based on the IMF spokesperson, he said that adopt of Bitcoin as a legal tender raise a number of macroeconomic, financial, and legal issues that require very carefully analysis. So we are following developments closely and will continue our consultation with authorities. Yeah, because after El Salvador announced Bitcoin as the legal asset, the legal tender, and a lot of banks now they also request another part of the Bitcoin because the price of Bitcoin is so volatile. Yeah, here. Bank must cover Bitcoin holding with its own capital. The regulator said that because they afraid the bank will be affected. Yeah, that's why they worry much. Yeah, in this article, it's a race from a lot of regulators. They afraid that and after the news, good news coming out, because of this, the price of Bitcoin going up. And we also, a few days ago, I also share some of the Bitcoin wallet of one of the whales, because when we look at in this wallet, we see during when the price of Bitcoin at the peak on the May. Oh, I'm so sorry. There's something there. Okay. Okay. During the May, we see this address so now 3,000 Bitcoin, and after that, we see the price crypto, the price of Bitcoin going down at the May 19, and this wallet get a lot of Bitcoin. Until now, it still keep buying, and we can see the whales aggressive movement is keep buying and it's keep getting Bitcoin. Yeah, it shows to us how's the activity of the whale movement, and we also some of the trader can rely on the whale address to get it. Yeah, that's some of the information shared to our audience about the price of Bitcoin for up today 6%. One more thing on the Cointelegraph, we see some of the top story. Most of the story about the Bitcoin were up, and here we see the Vitalik from his.
Okay, there's this one. This Vitalik or Vitalik. I think pronounce Vitalik better.
Yeah.
He says that Bitcoin will crash. Really?
No. He had made 4.3 million from his 25,000 investment in Dogecoin.
Yeah.
This just some of the advertisement about something about the Dogecoin, and we see.
Well, he probably bought it at very early stage, like few cents or something.
Yeah.
I
One is
bought it at 3 cents, and then it went up to 30 cents. Something like that. But I think you bought it much earlier than me. So.
But don't worry about this because the community.
So there's one article that mentioned something about predicting Bitcoin crash. What was that? I saw it just now.
Let me check. With this one.
Yeah.
About this one. This
is
from
this guy?
the June 5th last week. This article from last week.
Yeah.
Because when the price of crypto had the correction, boost it's dropped from 40,000 down, and it's before the Miami conference. It's based on some of the charts, some of the trading view, and they predict the price is have the correction, and after the correction, the price will go up. Yeah, we also can have a look on the coin market cap. Some of the viewers, some of the viewer on the Bitcoiner may so familiar with the coin market cap, but now today we will go to the dominant. We will see the dominant of the Bitcoin. We see the Bitcoin get the 43.8% of the total market. Yeah, this is a good signal because last week when the price crypto is crashed, we can see the dominant of the Bitcoin drop. This drop is because less of investor interested in Bitcoin. They only focus on alternative coin, like this article, this one. This on Sunday. This on Sunday, 6th of June. We see it's dropped, but now it's 43%. 43% is around this one. Yeah, that's why the price is Bitcoin is go up, and we see so many projects attract a lot of they can catch a lot of eyes from many investors, and many projects work well, and they get the attention from from a lot of fund, a lot of financial, many hedge funds. Yeah, like some the other project, and we see with the order, we see the order now they get the 19.57%, and you all can see the Ethereum now get 19.33%. Now it's go up and up day by day. Yeah, now it's get the 19.33%.
Yeah.
It's
So actually, I just add a little bit to this as just in highlight to the viewers and our listeners. You look at all this, yeah. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, yeah. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then you have Tether, which is USDT, right? And then you have Binance Coin. These four guys are always there. If you realize, these four guys are always there. Yeah. So for starters, trader, for all you listeners who had just begun to trade, if you think that, oh, Bitcoin, the quantum is too high, I want to invest in something that is smaller amount, yeah, you can go for Binance coin, BNB. Yeah, because it's just a few $100s, right? Yeah. So if you have if you prefer Ethereum, you want to buy a few Ethereum at one go, yeah. Yeah. So but the thing is,
this not the financial advice.
Of course. Let me finish. Yeah, so this is how some investor will feel. Oh, yeah, Bitcoin is 30,000. If I want to have 10 Bitcoin, I'll have to spend a few $100,000. No, I want to have a 10 of something. So maybe you want to have 10 Ethereum, or you want to have 10 BNB. Yeah, you can, because and if you feel that a coin should not be more than 4 digit, yeah, you go for something like BNB, which is pretty stable in a sense, because they follow this BTC, ETH, and BNB. They are, whenever the market move, they follow pretty closely. Yeah. So it's not an advice; it's just a suggestion and opinion from what I've discovered among friends who are using small amount to buy crypto, to invest.
And we saw some of the nice news about the policy and regulation. Texas state regulator green light bank to custody crypto. Yeah, this is good news for the crypto companies in Texas.
Okay, let me share something that I read this morning.
Okay, Mr. Nicholas.
Let me share. Where's my screen? Let me go to the article first. Okay. Share. Where's the share button again? Share your screen. Is it sharing already?
Yes.
Okay. And let's find my face. All right. So this article is about. I think we mentioned something about this a couple of days back, but just add on a little bit to it. Why some country leaders, or this guy ex-country leaders, why some of these people up there, they don't like Bitcoin, especially if they are from, where they are. Yeah. So because as per what he says, it competes with the dollar, right?
Yeah, that's right.
It competes with the dollar. So this is the main reason why some countries don't like Bitcoin. Yeah, it not necessarily have to be just this guy or this country. It can be any country, as long as they are not prepared to embrace cryptocurrency. They will not like Bitcoin. Yeah, yeah. So it is pretty standard all across. Whereas this guy is different. They say, oh, I didn't have this view. let's see. So China is actually accelerating the blockchain development to adopt push. Of course, at the same time, I believe that China government will not say, oh, I like Bitcoin. They will not say. I don't think they like Bitcoin anyway. Yeah, but blockchain is a thing. You know, uh, the West may not like Bitcoin, but they are into blockchain. Yeah. So for you listeners who may be new to cryptocurrency and new to blockchain, you may be confused why this government says so bad things about Bitcoin, but they are working on blockchain. I thought they are the same thing. No, they are different. Blockchain is the underlying technology that supports cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin is one of them. Yeah, so you must remember these two things are different. So the West may be saying, "Oh, I don't like Bitcoin." Yeah, every country won't say they like Bitcoin because it competes with their currency.
Yeah,
this is the key thing, right? So China, a little bit background for you new listeners. China has developed their own central bank digital currency.
Yeah.
So they have launched, I think, last year or the year before. Yeah. So they are still in the process of trying to make things more perfect, so to speak. So this is why this article comes. They are planning to accelerate blockchain development and adoption, right? So for cryptocurrency to even right now, cryptocurrency has already slowly entered into the lives of a lot of other people. Like for some people, I know that they are never into blockchain, or rather they are never into crypto. They just ask me, Nick, how do you trade crypto? What is this crypto thing? What is the difference? So there are definitely, I believe, some of you among the people in your life that you know could be asking you the same thing. Yeah. So more and more people are getting sorry, excuse me. More and more people are getting to know uh, 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 cryptocurrency. Give me give me a moment. Oh, this is give me a moment.
Okay.
Okay.
And then
I'm back. Sorry.
yeah.
So more and more people are getting interested in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and all this. So they are definitely asking you, how can they go on this? How can they trade, and how can they get to know more? Yeah, of course, there are various avenues. You may get them to teach them and whatever. Yeah. So one more article is that I don't know, this Trump fundraiser calling for radical overhaul of Bitcoin, or rather the US voting system by using blockchain. You see the difference? Uh, the previous article says he doesn't like Bitcoin because he probably know the difference between Bitcoin and blockchain, but they are using blockchain to try to improve on whatever system that they have. Yeah. In this case, the voting system. Yeah. So just much like how some private banks are going into blockchain and trying to make their system better, make their life better by using blockchain. Yeah. So another article here, Poppy, if I'm not wrong, they are based in Singapore, right?
Yeah.
So
blockchain security.
yeah, so they are trying to enhance blockchain security. So for those people, those of you out there who will be thinking, is blockchain safe? Is blockchain, is trading crypto safe? Is using this blockchain safe? Whatever. Yeah. So bear in mind that for everything that project owners or project starters are doing, they are always trying to improve on the thing that they do. Yeah, so that is for sure. Yeah, so this is as much as what I would like to highlight to all of you. So I throw the time back to Richard.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Mr. Nicholas shared to us about the blockchain's the blockchain movement from many countries like US, like China. They want to use the blockchain technology for the voting system, and in China they use the blockchain technology for the security and some the other CBDC. And then let's go to the trading view to see the crypto market today has all the coin movement, and what's our prediction, our coin prediction.
All right.
Let me see USDT. Yeah. BTC and USDT, yeah, this is the price of Bitcoin the day, the chart day, 4 hour, yeah. We see the price of Bitcoin is like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's perfect. It's look nice now. When we see in the chart, we see the price now on the way to
Yeah, the chart, the candle chart looks pretty nice for now. Yeah, you look at all the greens, I feel very happy.
yeah. But when I see I also have the feeling that it may go sideways from the 37 to 36 to
Yeah,
because
it is still anybody's game in a sense
yeah,
that it can still go if the way whales decided to do trade. I believe they are all trading on margins right now.
yeah,
Yeah, so it'll probably go sideways for sometimes
yeah,
unless there's some big events that are going to come up in a couple of months time, then they probably will try to drive it up. Yeah, so looks like 4 5 months ago someone said that someone was expecting last year, that's even more ridiculous. Someone was expecting the Bitcoin price to hit 500,000. That was last year. So
yeah,
anyway, earlier this year, someone else expected the price to reach 100,000 by the end of 2021. That
yeah,
sounds a little bit more convincing. But looking at the situation now, we are in June, right? Half year
yeah,
mark of 2021, and we are from 30 plus thousand, we went up to 60 plus, and then we are back down to 30 plus thousand. So can it actually move beyond 70,000 in the next few months? Well, we are not too sure. At least for me, I'm not too sure because it's the whales that are playing the game, you know. Yeah.
yeah. Okay,
What is this?
this
Yeah,
chart of the Ethereum. Yeah, because when we see the chart of Bitcoin is on the way go up above 36,100, that is a support level, and with the Ethereum is go below the support level. When I see it take when you see is lower than let me share this is lower than 2,492. If it's a breakthrough the 2,497 above 200 above 2,500, the price of the ETH Ethereum will go further, go higher, and all the price movement between up the top coin is belong to Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin go up, all the altcoin will follow with this.
yeah,
And like yesterday, I also see this one also go up to 336 is the BNB Binance coin. Now we see the price is now is lower than the support level. Yeah. Yeah, Binance Coin also the same situation, and we go back to the BTC. The BTC is now is above the support level. Is above the 36,100. And if you try to take the margin you can get at this level is around here around yeah three around 36,109 and 69. Yeah, this is the support level, and we hope it will reach the 37,600 soon. Because if the candle can take this level, the price will make a bull up. If it cannot, it may go to the sideways. Let's have a look on the chart one day. We will see the chart one day. Uh, the the volume of the high and buy and sell is also bull and bear is hard to see. It's hard to predict the next few days, but we see the on yesterday up and on last 2 days, right? On the 9 June, on the 9 June, we see so many buy volume come here, and we see the next day we see the last sell volume at this level, and this one of the doji candle. We saw that in the next few
I
days.
think, yeah, just something to highlight. Where is the price movement? Oh yeah, so, okay. So that green, those volume right below the
Yeah,
bars,
yeah,
basically just to highlight a little bit. Yeah, for all you listeners who are looking at this, whenever the price is going up, the bar will be green color. When the price is going down, the bar will be red color, right?
yeah,
This bar basically just means at which point of the market there's a amount of transaction. Uh, be it buy or sell, you'll still be inside this bar for this particular period of time. Yeah, so if you see red color, it doesn't mean that people are selling. It could also mean people are buying as well. It just means that during this downtime, there is this amount of buy and sell going on. Yeah. So of course, for people to why is the screen looking like this? For people to be able to buy, someone must be selling. So probably, but that doesn't mean majority of the people are selling. Yeah. Yeah, so just bear in mind that it is just to let us know that at this point of the amount of transaction going on, the price of the coin was actually going up or going down. Yes, no? Yeah.
yeah. And we expect when we see this candle, we have the we hope it will have it will above the resistance level in the with the days with the chart one day we see the resistance level at 38,000. If the price above 38,000, so we can see the price of Bitcoin go up go more. Then let's see have a look what is the miracle in this weekend. And I think it's time for us uh, to to end the live stream at this moment. If you have any question, please don't hesitate. Let us know, and we hope to see you in the next live stream. And I give back to you, Mr. Nicholas.
All right. Thank you all for joining us. Really good to have you with us. So remember, it's Friday, so
Yeah,
enjoy your weekend and trade safely. Do enough research for yourself before you make any decisions. Yeah, And I wish everyone a good money making weekend. Yeah. Bye bye.
It look like the TGIF, right? Okay, see you
TGI.
later. Yeah.